Are you thinking about moving to Phuket, or have you already made the decision? If that's you and you're moving to Phuket sometime soon, one of the first things you're going to want to do is to find out the price of accommodation. There's a huge range of accommodation available. In today's video, I'm going to show you the apartment that I'm renting in Nai Harn, which is in the south of Phuket, and it's very close to the beach. Okay, so at the moment, these rooms are empty, so I'm just being a little bit nosy and looking through the window. This apartment costs 20,000 baht a month. I'll show you what that includes. But this view up here is beautiful. Oh, I think I really like this one. There is a little bit of work going on over here at the moment. 3 villas are being built, so there is a little bit of noise, but I have to be honest, it doesn't really bother me that much because it's not all day long and it's always finished by about 5 o'clock. So we're just in this room here. So you can see all of the grounds here, like all of this greenery is really beautiful. Just creates such a beautiful environment to live in. Okay, so this is the room that I'm renting, and I mentioned before that in this building there's 3 different types of properties. So in this property, on the ground floor, you've got more space inside. I think it's about 45 meters squared, but I'm not 100% certain. So this area actually sleeps 3. So in this apartment, there's a sofa bed and there's 2 single beds which have been pushed together to make a double bed. And the bed is really, really comfortable. And over here, there's plenty storage space. So there's 2 big double drawers over here. And then there's also a desk here. So I usually sit here, do my work, and then when I go out, there's a couple more drawers here, so I can just put my computer in here, and then there's also another drawer here. And there's a big TV here, and we've been lucky because the guests who stayed here before us, they left themselves connected to Netflix, so we don't need to subscribe to Netflix. Oh, one good thing to tell you as well, so included in the 20,000 baht, it does get cleaned twice a week, and the maid has just been in today, so you choose what days in the week you want it to be cleaned. And of course you get fresh bedding, and then you've got 2 beach towels, 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels and 2 flannels, and you also get 2 bathrobes. So at the moment the maid comes in on a Wednesday and a Saturday and cleans everywhere, and there's no extra charge for that. In addition, you also get 10 bottles of water twice a week, and you also get some coffee and some tea, some coffee mate and some sugar, which is excellent. And then in here, I'll just move these bottles out of the way. There's also some cutlery, and then there's a storage area here. So you can store your shoes there, and there's a little fridge. So the fridge is just a little small mini fridge, but it's enough for us. But over here, there's plenty space. So if you want a little bit of a dressing area, then there's plenty room here with a big full-length mirror, and then there's 2 nice wall lights there as well. And it's really, really quiet. And this bathroom, I love this bathroom. The bathroom's such a nice size, and you can see this dresser or cabinet here, it's just really beautiful. And again, you've got the wall lights in the bathroom with a nice mirror. And then in the shower area, you've got the 2 options. You've got the rain shower and then the standard shower. Then you've got this little built-in unit here for storing all of your items. So yes, it's just a really perfect size, great for short term. I mean, to be honest with you, I've stayed here for 3 months now, and the internet is fantastic. For anyone working from home, this is definitely a good place with regards to Wi-Fi. Then there's a built-in wardrobe here, a double wardrobe with a few coat hangers in there. I've got no clothes because mine have all gone to the laundrette today. And then there's a safe here as well, a safety deposit box. So this, I think, is a really good deal for 20,000. Considering for 20,000, it gives you the room, you've got access to the big pool, to the smaller pool, it gets cleaned twice a week, and you get the coffee, the tea, and the water, and every day you get 80 baht discount on the food. So 20,000 for some people might be a little bit more than the budget, but when you take into consideration all of the extras, it's actually a really good price. So we'll go upstairs now and I'll show you the other rooms. So there's another room on the second floor, and then we'll go up to the third floor. On the second floor, there's a swimming pool here. So if you choose to rent a room on the second floor, you've got direct access to the swimming pool. I can understand why that would be a good choice for a lot of people, because to just open your bedroom door and then immediately have access to the pool. And then you've got all of this extra space outside. The room inside is a little bit smaller because obviously you've got the outdoor space. Yeah, so it's nice to have the option of having the swimming pool if you would prefer that. And then up on the third floor, you've got some additional outdoor space. I just need to speak to the maid to get the key for the second floor and the third floor, and once I've got the key, we'll go in there. Okay, so at the moment, these rooms are empty, so I'm just being a little bit nosy and looking through the window. I can see inside that this room is smaller because it's only for 2 people. So in my room downstairs, you've got the extra room for getting ready, and then in the entrance, you've also got the sofa bed. But with this room, you haven't got those extra facilities.
But you have this.
But what you've got is outside, you've got a sun lounger and a chair and a table. And I forgot to mention, downstairs as well, in my room, there's also a little balcony at the front with a table and chairs. And then let's go up and we'll have a look at the third floor. I'm a little bit out of breath after climbing up those 3 flights of stairs. And this is on the third floor. And the indoor space is a little bit smaller. In here, it's about 32 square meters. But you've got the extra outdoor space here, which is lovely. You've got this balcony out here. This is the first time that I've been in this room, and I'm actually quite tempted to maybe move up here rather than the first floor. I need to think a little bit more. But this view up here is beautiful. Oh, I think I really like this one. And then you've got the view here from the pool, but the balcony out here is much bigger, and then you've got this bed, you've got this space up here. Yeah, so I'm not really sure which option is the most suitable. I chose the ground floor because I only saw floor 1 and floor 2. But maybe the third floor is also a good option. But again, everything in this room is exactly the same. You get all of the same facilities on every floor for 20,000 baht a month. And then the last option that you have is this 3-bedroom villa, which is just across here. I've never had the chance to go inside there, and we can't go in at the moment because it's already occupied. But I believe that is 90,000 baht a month, and it has its own private swimming pool, and it looks very nice from outside. And luckily, we managed to have a look around the rooms that are in the main building. This room is 14,000 baht a month, and that also includes electricity and water. And is this also cleaned twice a week? Yeah, and cleaning twice a week. And I believe you also get a discount at the restaurant.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, so everything that's included in the main building, everything that's included in the villa, you also get the same in this room. So if you come out here, I'll show you. So there's a balcony here, it's a decent sized balcony as well. bathroom. And down here there's another communal area. Now, there never seems to be anybody in this area, but it's a great place if you want to do a little bit of work. It's really quiet and there's these desks here. Then at the back there's a bench. So I imagine that maybe when there's some sort of conference or there's some sort of event on here, then maybe this area is used for that. But at the moment, there's a little bit of music on, but it's quiet most of the time. And I think that's it. So if you are coming to Phuket sometime soon, this is definitely good value for money if your budget's 20,000. And one of the great things about this area is the fact that it's less than 5 minutes drive to Nai Harn beach, which is one of my favourite beaches in all of Thailand. And right next to the beach as well, there's also a beautiful lake, which is really nice to sit there with a few friends, have a picnic. So if you are coming to Phuket, Nai Harn is definitely a good area to stay, and Le Resort and Villas is a wonderful choice. I'll see you soon.